Nyam di pacho wa. Me ka sencho na plane. Na nyam di silo.
Only ko po juasi. Ba ma bo. Me me o. Abi ti o di me.
Bla chao.
Ai no ba chao. Ya uya no. Me pe ya uya no.
Na ma chao. Na silo.
Sawusu. Na me hu bo. Me ni o mo bra mo ni boda sani.
Na silo.
Me hu boda. Bunu ma de so esumi ai. Na o di mesa o kan yakopɔ.
Silo wa.
So what?
Na chao.
No boda. Last time, they were watching who came to the best of okay. Memko, wait a minute, sorry. Like I wake as a trust. But because I said in temper, to move by me, the tennis said, Mamu never used to be a beer, Mrs. Simon as a visa. But a monk, sir, the economic. A Jumano, in the perfect papa, in the Monk has a little bit of papa and nothing. Very good. It's a answer, said they mean to me, my own uncle. If the dear Ballet, yet. If you make like a month more, don't give any penny. If you buy, why not? Why not? Sabora. Abra Ghana. Do so by no. And you will work as a new one. Salatier. They said the name and you mean to be caught from a capital and to me for a full mamma. But I'm just one young capa. It's no, some of us a quay, the moment to them being in Panama. Any purpose as simple as it is. But I don't want to say so much. Send them out to young say, and I'm Mr. Muscaso. It's all to Muscaso. As I know, you are the man. I'm a boss. I become one up. For Jimmy, if you're quite there, we can. I can't say I have no job that I become one of you. You must see me uncle. Are you challenging? Why? If you disobey me, you will be funeral. Move. Yeah, it's a way funeral at the home. Next time.
Papa.
Maji.
I had a book.
Boko. Girl, with my ayache. Now they were too much for brands. We really go near it. For brand. And they came out. I'm not for I see. The woman answered. The Kumawood now. Say you are beautiful.
What is it in Selka? Well, I would guys and I would get for the transfer. Lisa, the way they were told it.
For now. I can't really do it. Now the contract.
Okay. Isabel.
Yes.
Mommy.
Mama G.
But the block. Yeah? Block my anger block. But they cake.
I'm so block. Hey, do what?
I'm going to go for the bedroom. So I'll give you more.
Mate. Mama G. Yeah. Everything is settled. Let's give us 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yes.
Too much. Let us have the money enough for this.
Mama G handle things, trust me. 2 weeks.
Okay. Settle.
Yeah. So roughly 2 weeks.
Not fair.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just give me a call. That's no problem. Trust me.
Hello? Please.
Legendary beat. Legendary beat. Legendary.
I have no option. No. I have no option. Focus on family. Say, what is the issue? No, it's me. I'm sorry. Correct.
So, how's the meeting?
If you're a dollar queen.
Dollar queen. Now, when you need to have a phobia in a hat, you know, it's a shame. The way you're waiting if you're in a strong. Only fit. As a young man, is here. My warrior, not so much in the
Hey, if you're not the open Pemiana.
I'm not quite sure. Let me join you. I said, come on, and if you are showing some.
If you're I mean, Castle Mincho. If you're woman is the one of the most trash, dirty house in this area. The most dirty house in this area. What my dear? Semineska, if you have say, make Johnny, if you have say. Because Obukratis and Metiase, it's so embarrassing to me. If you're over pemme. Hey, come see to me.
Madam, you see if you have the money.
If you're a brother, say, show wow, they pepper. As a day, I shall cry, and you're original. Tagging, if you're a damn what I tagging, if you are China,
you will do this.
now, if you have to cut your coat according to your size.
I don't know.
Oh, and banner, you put them money in now. Yes, midnight, we attack. We have our prices. And I won't be here. I was so trouble. Now you will level. What you say? But what will you the most expensive one in it? And if you're a minka venture, say you're for so proud of watching me. What you say? Me for so and watch it. Oh, Yamakono. What the cry, Nyarko? If you're no Jerry. Yeah, sure. If you're we are just for washing inside. Check once on our Boadi. The Mount Boadi will let me know him so sad. Boadi. Oh, it didn't crash the shower. If you're what's the me move? Hey, if you're you like.
If you was washing me, huh? Dollar Queen! What kind of next? Papa said, Diana, if you have a DVD, I want to contribute to just one to the crown.
By your limited Diana, if you are in the Diana, would be an idea. We are Munyan, me and Dome. Why? Era, and Bowen me. You come by a bad of punching, a big Bowen. I am what? Now, by your media, she babies. You know, your door home. You go sorry, them. For higher church.
There, dear, one idea, Munya, back to come in family. On the corner. What's this? What about? Hi. How did it go?
What happened? What happened? Tell me.
And then so many Manu.
Oh, so what did you do? I mean, what happened? Were you not qualified for the job?
Give them a certificate.
How it could happen?
He wants me to open my legs.
And you did what?
I refused. Good! That's good!
You refused?
Yes, I have to. Good! Thank you, David. That's good! How come? I refused.
We are virgin. Are you a virgin? Talk to me. We are virgin.
Oh, purchasing.
Obi a won kwako pay juma ba me hu at least at the end of the month your bills be secured no. Wako not if the person wants to enter you what refuse your bet and he wants to enter me and I refuse. We are virgin. Sister, omo enter obi papa be pa no why am wa brabo. Tell me.
Girls. So you wanted her to sleep with him?
Ask them. My shut up. Come on, pay your contribution 2 cedis. You couldn't afford. And you are talking when we are talking. Forget about that 2 cedis. Forget about it. What way would Jerry and what will be a mean answer? You think I don't know? Recently, I confirm a pan, so we use it. Which is very disgraceful. Remember, me animal will flip you.
It's nonsense. What else? It's not like us. Now, what can I want to now?
only one. Okay, we'll keep on for the meantime. Tomorrow is another day. I will sack you. Now, when you hear Mama woman say, Sakwa, go and blow your mouth. So, I can hear before I will sack you. Papa said, we let you. Seriously, yo. You won't go here. I can't make it to another walk. I don't know what I'm saying. Me, I'm not jogging. I'm even up to deal with the family. If I had you, you'll be able to one if I do. One end. But I thought you were on diet. Oh, what that? You was what do you say? Why not? I'll stop over here. Wait. Sorry, the waffle here. Sorry,
Because of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close up at my police. Searching for my phone, you always oh my God. Made up in the way, time and the way. Patience with the pain. All the tensions of the day. It's funny, oh what's a name, but I can't give up. Love is calling. phenomenally. Still come from me. It's the one my heart just keep on running. It's funny, the whole world's on me. What I can give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, still come tell me. You're the one my heart keeps everything you do is alright. Everything you do is alright. True love is never perfect. What a missing moment. Everything you do is alright. So long as you gon' be my wife. Everything you do is alright. Never say. Just of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close if I say police. I'm searching for my father. Oh my God. Made up in the worst time anyways. I'm maybe on the patience with the pain. Give me all the patience of the day. Everybody for that. It's funny, the whole world's on me, but I can't give up. Love is calling. Phenomenally, I still come from it. It's the one my heart just keep on running. It's funny, the whole world's on me, but I can't give up. Love is calling. Phenomenally, still come tell me. It's the one my heart keep yearning for.
You're smarter. I'm smarter than we think. I use my data bank to you. You can never say Mama G is dead until his bones or her bones are rotting.
Maji, I hope so when you're ready.
Everything is intact.
Great.
Give me my blood, I give you the blood. So where is this?
It's ready. Maji, that is yours.
Okay. Are you okay with it? Yeah, I'm very okay.
Don't use a mood to see. You just want to say
With a fresh. How fresh. Now, over my chin, you are over my Akrobeto.
Mama G.
That's me.
Trust you.
Play with me, play fire.
Mama G.
Yeah.
Mama G, me that was.
Oh, I'm not saying. Hey, business near you with a nasty beer. Some French.
That is what you do. Yeah, that is work. So you have to say what you did for him.
We have to go.
Yeah. Time's up.
Yeah.
No, person.
My G.
Oh, don't worry. Remember my boys need to go see more airport. Okay. So airport straight.
Yeah, straight. Yeah, straight. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So Mama G, we are going.
See you.
Alright, thanks.
See you another time, okay?
Alright.
We meet there.
That's me, really.
God, please meet me there.
Well, any problem. Didn't ya? Can't say me be fina me be dinko. Honestly, dana me ba washing busy. You see a free toy, a choir more fast first. You can't me. I was shocked. Which you say, mountain a year too much fast. Na none just what we are missing doing for one for. I've given a fast name, and I'm to the idea. Already, nobody can share that. And come on, a man is a million more. I mean, so once why a town boy. Which me and your money be a man between a convincing Kuala. Now, in Oma Yachuma. As I say, you tell me yes, I'm a band. Yeah, I'm asking you. No more. Okay, so you it's picky. What do you say between you? Yes, of course. Never get the answer. I'm a musician, I'm a twin. But you knew be able to make room to me. Later, I'm doing hustle working. There's some boy and quadia. Music is nothing to me in our country. So, also, be music now. Here, Ghana, here, you won't get much money. All the money you have is hand to mouth, hand to mouth. But if you're ready to help me to do this business, I will change your life within 1 month. Believe me. Look, later we are beside your music. I don't have problem, but I'll make you rich. Let him put in this way. So, the hands of a Bamus uncle, Mano, the Manya Sama, may be Piama within short time. Let one more bush of four after one atom of phone, no more anymore. They'll come need you and don't go to get an area. Many sound simple within 2 days. Believe me, I'll never lie to you. Me, let me tell you, if money is smelling, you believe me? I promise I will do it, okay? Okay. So the number no. Say you know, I have for mobile fee. You do the wife. That's it. You know. Yeah, mobile fee. It's already medium. The wife. Okay.
Just the real.
No, what's wrong with me? Oh, who is your man? By the way, I hope say shut up about them to a brief look at Canada. But you can inform me in the was your munch. To our Yanka Summer was much. Until you say yes, sir, you say yes, you say no. In per business. Oh, in cool. If you had your if you be here, you are one way when you're back. If you are when you're I say, Yeti in Coedom, Emma, a ton of money. I don't know if you depend on the baby here. I can't tell but a Yenny in community at the ton. Do I should go degree. And I don't. Yes, you could move her life. You are pushed to West. You need money. And then you go to Crumpy, so the boss of the more demand. Obey a person, no better. Obey you, try to have sex with you and some of your women. You ain't known in your side. So I'm down. Nice. Very nice. Yes. So to food him over to you. The Americans won't continue bank. My boys beating you at a man who influence. You should bring your money be account one.
But you want to go be when you want a TV, best story, the double what's for your moonish?
Nancy big jam also. What me convince what me can reach your one. So they are all about Sika. Yes, the Ahocha woman and refuse to give some few months. We make us a big way. Shattered will be later, and my uncle Swabba and chain. And Wakasa. But the good thing be very important and say, won't for her someone. That's what I say.
What shall I
but the one you look at skin to me. You will see a and the tools to be. What do you are? You don't start winning this cat. We have your man who will give shut up. You can also see my way. Yes.
Girls, I still not make an amount of somebody to the mammy. If the theatre, or people tell I don't know what I will, money cap there. Lenisika, your brother did. Intersan make an answer with him. Said the agency. Now you're not condemned, but I am not shocking me. I am not shocking me. Enemy will vibrate you, madam. Me bake you, electricity, Jinaye. Shall I see me can just go on? Ah, but one look at it here. Mr. Word, so my mechanical, or be the business about. All you think about is the money. The risk involved, no, now, and the profit involved, no, and money from my auntie as I said, business saying, percentage saying that, no more. This is what we're gonna gain because it's a life risking business. Do you know that? No, are you saying, sir, never fucking business? Don't say it. Hell no. So, what are you implying? I need explanations. What on them? What the fuck are you talking about? And what the hell are you also talking about? So you didn't hear what she said? No. She said we are going to steal innocent kids and sell them for money. And do you have conscience? Do you have conscience? And motto. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, so you can go that deep? You can go that deep. And you couldn't do one thing. Come on, fuck. You couldn't do it. Fuck you. No, wait, oh. I should go and fuck that one. For just one thing for a last thing. When let's market that one for millions kind of times. Time multiply. Multiply. Mother. Moto, make sure I'm in this business.
That was a genuine business.
What?
A lifetime business.
Which one? You go pay me them.
It was just once.
Now when you're born, giving a woman. Wouldn't be able to say no more with him. You. It's no I say. I'm not going to catch them.
What's not a senior? There's always a woman found what to ascend. Na motif is kind of here. Could I say you are not you would feel more than I would do sick and I call baby. The Akanya, I said. What I say, he didn't know now go for them what. Tenassi, any and yet, man. For the baby. What I say? We are back in the sound and indeed we are all we try crying the wee. Come on.
Hi, that's all we can talk. But I'm a service.
All right.
But your mom says our job is very risky. And I want to know, sir. And Uncle was saying, any other buy it, because I'm never question.
You money, you can say, crab on what I say, it him be any part. The beer will be a beer of Sikasem. So,
make you ask you. But Betty was true.
I was so brave. Maybe I want to
Moto, as far as we're talking about shit here, money, I'm in it.
Thank you.
And I second you.
Thank you. Who else? Thank you. Next. Who? Better.
Majority carries the vote.
Yeah.
Moto, you know what? This shit is fucking shit. But I always get your back.
Whatever.
I mean.
Condemn. Okay. Fiesta. Condemn. Fuck off. She's not in the tree.
Condemn Cafe.
I just, me feel is right about this whole fucking business.
Already.
Then your mama no work my own. President told you so no work my own. What work my? That is the way you should kill. What the fuck are you telling me?
We are married. We need them to come them.
We be giant.
Come on, Emil. I'm going to see her. Come on, because I'm very worried. If you baby say, oh, we phone son, no wash over there. Say, you want to dear Bana when you are bringing a book to your food. Oh, yeah, the among baby, I'm a few. Mimi, Asante, you feel from me free stream. No, me buy some of the bobla. Who are what you will be? So, we have this case out. Why pan a bit of it, woman? For them for no cancer. For no cancer. Maybe you're my coach number. You're my coach number. You basically are saying, push your friends now. So, as well, may I make you handsome and close and you? I thought to see a Nipana, you want to almost get man, I only want to know. You know that you don't have an option. It's the option. I was a woman now, but you have only a party. But when you put your idea, put your water. If you go on this time, you don't have the money to buy it. One I gave you beyond, so the human about any assembly at the car. I was seeing young one, but what I say. Oh, if you cannot know the folk and a yellow question. You're on your own, and Mamma, me, next. Oh, maybe I'm not going to one of us and for Star Wars. I'm into my shoe. No one is not saying, and training who was not. That's it. Okay, so optional. Optional yet to be able to be now. I was saying about this. Okay.
I hope so. Yes, Sarah. I'm afraid of motor. When Macassa to be our dream, be any PTA, my dream, my make us a show. You ask me, I'm moving to a yen. And what dream never more yen? What dream never more is clear. But me, fear. Se mo tiasie na mo de modern basa de mo makasa na baby si na djuma mama odun se na obi ba to di so fo ba ele obi we mesi ni a obi kapeta anybody was as we do back to me say djuma no ebi ehun bi wo nti yesu sha ne ka se me yesu sura onye den ma beduru ha de mesemo an se munye ma chop ye nye djuma the true mono mo so busuafo be di asa nti no min ka se bebre me awo se enu manimu ya no ko di nsi swear nti no de nti e be swear de be na assembly be fu yemu no na de buhu abia no enko bontene so de ko bontene the next day no I'm going to die.
Ya be kwa druso ana.
Enya druso. Aye dru. Hello.
Ya ba he o pe so free ma so obetimi akọ.
Untimi mfi mu nko. Nyesi kase. Babo kwa se de odini nsa kwaso funtuma de no hwe na chi no. Mfata. Isi amamu kwa minim do ba wa kan. Yes. Afide yi abo ani sonko. Ejano solution. Eti wa office obe kono betimi akọ. Awusu. Obi abo.
Papa chopa anya sa no kan yo.
So you are not ready. Almost touch. Who $200? What can I do? $2 million down.
So I should scream me.
Sanse. One few didn't see another. But a bravo never son. You won't be a man, you guru. Where your papa bed, boo, would you bonny boo, and I'm a boy, messing you, captain, software. It is a woman at them teams and I'm missing when you feel too. And over but as well, forget it. The Benamu ye, Bunisika, Namosu Bushia, I no put my viewer. Just said, Ubay yet one no Nareka, nothing being free and cooperative. That's all. You know, a child will be here. He move you the next step.
Thank you. What can I say, Benny? You tell them.
Upiska, Musa Muwan. I say, Boss Kasa, no comments. Musonko. No comments. Musonko.
The cash was here. Me banana self no go bank. Me mra kwa so go bank. Oh, was always so me. But the new I'm showing in my brain mania. I'm ready. I'm ready to man. I'm moving here. I'm ready to
Yes, sir. You're sure, say we marry.
Beshana or effect. Or effect for her.
Condemn. Who is it? Who's wrong? Who's wrong? Who's wrong? Who na do basi? We say we are macho man. Yes, sir. So we are macho for who do not say ya? You are macho chance what? Tun ba wani dai iskan da hawa bisanga ya koma da rayuwar shi kace su ga yi isa kai za mu kashe ka ne baka da wurin zuwa ka ne makabira je ka tambaye shirita mun kai ga makomanka shine makabira
shikenan
bet o shela na poswa vai bem mo fit vai entrar no jardim soja tela ko ele tá muso
Fiesta. Big Frey. C'est pas une yoki. Finish him.
Lokacin ka ya kai. Misali It's impossible. I bet you.
Yung sa baby ako pa niya.
Tela. Ito pa kasi yung brother na.
Eh, we're a virgin, and that's how we're a virgin. We're a virgin, that's how we're a virgin.
Duma akan jaga damu akan ni ke neman kudin nan ba yi zabani
Me say we are virgin, and that's how we are virgin. We are virgin, and we are virgin. Huh? That's why we are virgin. Ha! Oh my brother, ayakwa. Sikaki mwenye Awuni ngano. Say, ashio. Kiza kuduna muna kama. Abin za mu samu kanki za mu samu ba shi da makomanki shi ne makabira kashe ki zamu
wallahi sa kudi ne to so in sai da shi moto ne laran ga bebe na samu kudi na ba
kashe ki zamu yi ba ki da wurin zuwa ki da mu kashe ki in tun da ke ba gatin bane shegen kai ya kuma kallajin ne
shegen virgin
yam shege makabira shi ne makomanki ya wuri mamaki nan ba wasa kinji ko
an buru ba
fiesta wani mai faya no shit it's impossible
About what? Ma, you can't swallow it down. What channel my family can? Who wants a love for you? Never quite a man come to watch. They are similar. They almost want to suspend. Baby girl, I'm sorry, but I drew myself. I am in Yata. And plus, you wouldn't tell me I'm a few stores and me bad for traffic. I'm a Bible to me. I said to create a blessing. Chinafa, or can't you move cry, Chinafa? And it's a bedroom, me, I'm a buyer, I'm doing some poor John, I'm your master's. Oh no, that's kind of a crime around. I feel for you, but you know what? Me let daddy Casantina also live in Casa. Why? What I say? And let daddy in Casa, I will say, me buy or me foul, and then watch now, crab, and then back and answer because the minute near the dance with me. It is a meaning ya time or no crowd betting me a day. I've had a fun. I'm a me one hand. Cagress, I will call me trapping was. Oh, but don't see pan classmates. You took a cracker. Your classmates.
Hey!
Debbie!
One yet.
And
you need a goodie. What I'm for no?
Class.
I'm a to need. Omo to Tessa,
sir.
And allow one to say being on my Yakura. Debbie, I never told it to me. I never size no. I told me say a bomb clock, but you need me out. Quality or sooner to be a bit so good. Now, I like it to a park, let me shoot in the club power chain. She told a good we have just a so. While Sophia said, was see I shall no traffic chat. Was my found one. What's here? Or more at your manager. We are club pony, Sabo say a few and bomb. Okay, be a good girl.
Babes, social network. See this one. News are here can you now kidnappers appointing on us. I'm not going to near the home. It's something just of a crown on you. Oh, friend, practice one for all of us. Because almost see news. You see, I hit up there for tea. I diabetic method. Because it's a nice car. The nice car is here. Big is why one. Oh, young Fernanda, that's all my use. Said that's what he is. So she very fine. I'm not okay. She said, I don't know what to say. Oh, God. Let me idea, sir. Your pet taxi.
Yeah, for Pekona baby. Oh, it's a temple and I put a pay when you get putting in Nashaka and then poof, then we're off. You think it's worth? Of course, because you're actually, I was a taxi. So now we see a chill, wash a taxi, say a chihuahua. I didn't say a chihuahua, body nice now. I have fresh. I bet turn it from nice to horror. So what? We are big girls, we can handle them. Oh, you can handle that. Of course. What's that? Babes,
maybe idea and say, oh, no, not some kind of. I did have a fun woman in a taxi. It's like, I didn't know. Young person, hanky be even on Modi, young crowd, and all the quality. Yeah, you find young crowd. You're true, man. It's like I saw Brian, you just grabbed it.
That is a childish idea. Because, Puni, my dear, I think the best thing we should do is that we have nice brothers. I mean, we are pretty. You could be a teacher, you could be a lawyer, whatever it is. You could even go to the church. But me a pastor, like Roman sisters. And I say, I don't know how to put this. In school and be a teacher. Now, would they call any question? Then you will bring them back. Would they call any question? Yeah.
Young churches. Now you pocket.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying that.
That's
go to
not
school,
good.
pretend as if you are a teacher.
And
then you take the case to. You are taking the case to excursion. That's it.
Oh God, sorry. It doesn't make sense.
It makes sense.
No.
What are you saying?
Seriously, girls, the use of methods they break. And then I think the best solution is to attract these kids with biscuits. Because kids are attracted to biscuits. No, like, seriously. Biscuits, they are attracted to it. They will just...
Yes. I think what Tilly is saying, I support her. Who say you've been dealing with toughies, okay? I think we should use a different strategy. Like what she said, we can use biscuits. It's cool.
Oh,
biscuits. Girls, babes.
We have a serious situation at hand. I need a serious solution for it. We be an anana, toughies and I want to intimate of a man. Yes, and it's here.
Just you open your mouth and you say you're going to talk trash.
I'm not talking trash. Listen, and I want to intimate of biscuits maneba. One intimate of toffee, and for maneba. Situation they work room hano. And for your way. The only thing they say, only say you're responsible. You make an answer what to say. And I think it's high time say we stop dealing with Kumasi and its vicinities. Nyarko outside. Young free Kumasi. Me, I'm from the northern region. We can go like Bulgar side. You can go to your hometown and do that. You are wicked. Listen. You make an answer what to say. So uko honoma ono very biscuit at Christmas. And uko na didn't go to any people say move and Otobia. Biscuits.
Who the fuck is talking about biscuits?
With that area we can grab children. But we did Kumasi Hana Boka say, sorry, be back of it. Now watching Masa, I'm telling you,
are going to church. You organize the kids out your more excursion. What's your saying? Now you're going to club the brain and yes, you can get one. So are you trying to tell me that I didn't shut up! Shut up! Ade! You must have a cool. Yes, for ideas. That's what we're talking about. Yes. So what is this? What is that? You have to go. What is this? So who is fighting? You! Me! They're all fighting. They're fighting. Whatever. Listen. Mommy, you will tell you. 2. Yes, you come back. Yeah, 2 of those. Don't see camera. Fun fact. If you go to night, if you go Poliga, Kamale. Thank you. Ade, that's it. What's your starting?
Well, good afternoon. In fact, I came and realized you left a file behind, and I went through all the files. And I said, wow, this is 1 out of 1,000. I was overwhelmed when I went through all those things. And I was expecting to hear from you, but I couldn't. And lucky for me, by His grace, I've gotten you people today. So what exactly do you want Mount Zion to do for you?
Well, thank you very much. It's very simple, sir. We want students who are talented. We need them. We are organizing a program, and it's very simple. If the students are really talented, they can sing, they can dance, they can act, they can do something with their hands. It's not about you being a lawyer, a doctor, a teacher, maybe in the ministry or stuff. So you know, some students are talented. They can do some things with their hands.
You don't mean it?
Yes, Mount Zion. And the first one, they are bad. You know, we think it's our own. When the students in the mind, we just take it over. Because they can't go out and do what they have to do. I say, I'm the emperor. Who are my connection? Yes. I'm going to be so yet. I'm kidding. That's why we are in school today.
And as Odika Kayo, the organization is here to help, to reach out to the needy. You know, we have some students are only very talented, but one in the home, they are not getting the push. You understand? So NGO is all about say, one reach it to dreams. I call a bit hard door or school or bubble. Being the Munyomoto, who hope to me the Nensa, I mean, dear, those kind of Uncolani Bina, pick you. And because I Ghana phones, you know, no mama down has say, not metaki in charge of her. And go no so no school, no first school.
Wonderful.
And it's not organization, fast you can say, and Colebia or when is sweating Biana or what I do much at the media moment. You be so moved. And a dear woman, then say, your first, second, third winners, no organization need to keep in charge of my education, or movie, and
even our parents plan.
You support.
So, are you saying we are not going to pay anything?
Nothing.
Oh my God! Then I'll say, Mount Zion International School has got you such a good opportunity. What I'll say is, this is not a matter of me hesitating. Rather, it's a matter of me alerting the teachers, talk to them, have a meeting with them, discuss the whole issue with them.
Okay.
Today being Monday, probably tomorrow next, you might come over. When you come, you go around with the teachers, they will explain it to the kids, the students over there. I know they're going to love it. So from there, we'll carry on with it. Okay. So once again, God bless you, and once again, you're welcome. Okay, thanks. All right.
Wow, we have a nice group.
Wow.
Being around, and I really love the whole place.
Thank you. We are managing. We are squeezing water to flows.
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never pass for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never pass for life. What a missimo. I got my looking and the man no kuruma. Emma Bulin, I got copy Munaga, baby, Nicola Famu. Nicola Famu.
Masa da biyu biya ma wace.
So long as you go be my wife, everything you do is alright. Your love will never pass for life. Everything you do is alright.
Canada, so who's your person is coming up? I'm telling you. Yo, secret was in the beer, no macassi. Ah, be quaint, just a phone call.
Sure? Oh my goodness.
If you shut down, same case of me, a man could be a machine, kissing me, I don't
Are you kidding me? Like seriously?
I'm telling you.
If
you have money, everything.
Wow. I want to have a look. Sure. I can't wait. But Shina, Grandma, we okay?
Just a bit more. And I'm a man, so I'm a phone with what is it?
That's a bad idea. It's a very nice house to
Oh, if your money, they don't have money. Oh, yeah, my people. Forget it.
They are doing like this.
Don't. What did so many years now? I trust you. Magically, now we can't eat anymore. Down with it. From sitting there. I trust that. We know why it was so many years.
Okay.
Oh, come. Wow. Yeah. Upstairs.
program. You can ask anything that you think you can do very well. Just register and join this program because there's a lot of advantage in it. As I'm talking to you right now, we have an award for our first, second, and third winner. The first person will be taken to the United States of America, and the organization is going to sponsor for your education. Same thing goes to the second person, and the third person is going to Canada. You understand? So if you know you can say anything that you think you are talented with, just register. When you get home, inform your family about it. Tell your parents that mom, this is what is going on in our school, and we need to react, okay?
And we are going to cater for your family.
Yeah, what?
Hello, yes, my name is Nyarko. I'm very good at playing guitar. How can I?
That's okay. From the way you're talking, I think I will do something. I will take care of your bills.
Thank you.
You don't have to problem with that. Do you understand? So you just go to your master and it will be done.
Thank you.
Done.
Madam, please, my name is Akewsi, and I would like to ask how much does the registration cost?
It's just you talk to your master when we are done. We'll give you guys all the details. And I'm very sure it's not anything that is very costly that your family can afford. So don't worry, it's not costly, okay? It's not anything that your family can afford. So we'll see you guys later. Thanks.
Look at the reward you enjoy. I want to be doing is nothing compared to the reward. It was so good time to do it better this year. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Can you say?
Who say? We are going to say. I'm going to talent here, madam.
Asante. Good. I think it's a good development. Okay, Mate. What I'm feeling and give us here, let me hear from you, okay? Mate. Alright.
Helen, Madama. Yeah, as I said. Mia, I don't need me number. I may channel, cousin. And my banner go a post school when do manage your baby. A friend drop a pin down baby. Oh, go school many a time of fun. And then you know, if you see your no man cry or too much your baby. Okay, well, then my friend later, why?
Yeah. Why? She said, I said, oh, Jim, you marry as a detective officer. And I said, oh, commander, me command the Northern sector. Me buy it, me show me buy. What the man that can work at you are? She said, one of the sergeant friends said, oh, making progress. My friend Commander Tunde, all of them are working. Yeah, mind. But you tell us about that in Chile, come here 5 bring her. AC painting qua. I was there to make home. And if I said, what she want to make, the man is on the TV. Also to me, Mama. Then hey, you make me feel bad. Jesus Christ. Oh!
Said you knew everyone. You wouldn't say any of them was our own baby.
Why?
In fact, and you made India and say so back baby. I may or him mention me. Oh, Obama,
a man who comes here want to lose memory.
Your friend say,
you can get paid the break. How can you talk like that?
I should give you a break.
Why are you talking like that?
I said, Papa, I could pay and this media. We see how more and I will hear what you want. Until you want to hear say, I could pay and you made the chair on the wouldn't even condition you.
Don't talk like that. Why? Huh? Why? Now we are going to social teacher because some of me can say what oh baby. It's an insult.
What do you shout to me? Me can't work as me. You get me? Me can't me your wife. Me your wedded wife. And you can't talk to me like this. Me bana ira. Me what right be ase was me ma pay me bana me. What do you pom enu me so wo ma bo mu di no. Wo mo shawase me shawase. O worry me. Send me your wife. Me your house head. What I say? And I mean you know we do actually be my can show. And we'll sit free there. And copy Friday me ban via. And then be and then Thursday. Or China Friday. And we'll send me ban e wo fia.
Your can is it a command?
Of course. A command. The wouldn't want Divya what chia. When I'm not and I'm just oh, I'm tired. What kind of life is this? Huh? Okay.
What's the meaning of this? So can't I go to the kitchen?
Who kitchen? I'll pay them kitchen. Since I plan 7 acre, a drew kitchen, over pay them all.
Because of course.
Go and sleep. Go and sleep, my friend.
Excuse me.
I said go and sleep.
What's the meaning of this? You have done to tell me. I am not weak and meek, and I respect you as a wife. You don't touch the police officer, especially when he's in bed.
I need my daughter.
You need your daughter will come back.
You can't go anywhere. Just go and sleep.
Now don't touch me! What the fuck is that? Are you mad?
Roger.
Thank you, boss.
For the meantime, make you two.
Yes, boss.
But in California, we don't call cage.
Yes, boss.
Free! That's it. What is the color?
Come on, move. Move. Come on. Move. Go. Move. Let's go. Be careful. Hurry up. Move. Hurry up.
I'm coming.
Your brother says you. And I'm what?
on the back. Hey! Oh!
What is it?
Walk away.
I'm a quick move, coach.
Walk away, fa. What black crana you know? What's your sim? Emia so. Walk away, Juma. Oh no. In fact, me hear me banu fear.
If you want.
Me Jimmy Bo, because you are check. Can't you see? I'm tired of you. What kind of life is this? Me buy you actually come to send me quite Juma. Me buy you actually come to send me quite Juma. Who patch say?
Don't touch me again.
Me can't say one baby.
Don't touch me. Excuse me. I am called to serve God and country. Why? Me call you are there, me say me come. I'm not here alone. I'm with my junior officer, and you are standing here embarrassing me. Why?
I need my.
Who are the police?
I am in a fear. Me so soon. We need me problem. Send me to one. Me will be able to be one day. Yeah, fair flow. Yeah, fair flow. And you man I'm
here with my junior officer. Makola in the room. You are standing here provoking me.
Me hear me back. Me see me here spending because me to next year without my daughter. Please.
Acha, we are in election year.
Oh come on, come on.
So me small opposite for now. Vantage points. We'll be having peace meetings to make sure that this whole country will not escalate because of so-called politicians, their quest for power. Why? Or may share with him? Should I forsake the whole country because of my little girl? La. I will not do that.
You not do that.
I will not do that one.
You not do that. She said, Ghana, honey, you are here telling me, Ghana, hey. Ghana here silver. What me a seal? Ghana here silver.
What is this? Why?
And no can.
Huh?
Me here for them. Make a trust a woman and not ready to watch it.
Shida, who piano could be coming watch it? What make only family watch it? They were campaign war. Never be on family and visible. The next time you follow me like this,
you will kill me.
I'll bring the law. The next time you touch me for the embarrassing prayers of my junior officers, it means you cross the HLM mark. Snake will bite you.
You know what? Woman, not friendly with you. What the funny the name? Funny qua. Yes, sir. Funny qua. Move back when I come home. 1 million home, put a second. Yeah, but swabber. Hey! Let me hear you go. Make coming from the yellow. What could cause it?
Your man, Juma, and Sudan,
when you
command in North Sector.
Commander, when
you hear the bed, Timachi.
I pay, and your talk. And your talk. Women are not ready to do it. What's some Ghana? Kwame Kuma, ye in mine. Kwame Kuma, ye in mine. Mr. Kwame Kuma, quiet in mine.
Election policy for one woman. Me, Juma, as a commander.
Oh, give me a break.
What?
Election year. It's a new year, see me banner. Maybe I will be a more. What you all about, baby? Me, when is our year? And what to let him say? Who about, baby? Now, me, dear, I'm
not here. I don't know. Wake up, baby, or you baby, come up, I can't touch it.
You, oh, yes, of course, you can't touch me. You can. Yes, dear.
Folks, and then here break. This is what I call Operation This Is It. Because intelligence report I got to say this man Look at the face, man. Or an ex-military expert. He has been through a lot of wars. Rwanda, he was there. Czechoslovakia, he was there. Such a person was very smart and intelligent. Open to him come what didn't fulfill as the Bible says. This will be catch chair. Now, information was in the church. I'm going to go before we forest, a very thick forest. I want to go picture one camp. It's DSP. Yes, sir. I trust you so much. Marsuel said, if you want to go to a place like this, gather your men. Yes, sir. And get yourself what I call sophisticated weapons. When you go out there, Obi one surrender biano, gun the person down. Yes, sir. Okay? Yes, sir. But this is a big but. So mo call mo make sure say me baba no de no mo work anka. Yes, sir. With that, you need to act to portion. Yes, sir. I am sweating my near brain. Go out there and make sure say you bring my daughter back. I don't think it's a wrong.
Abacho, they are working show. They want to see to one more. Maybe I can see the baby. So they are should be able to. I
trust it's to maintain a person will this team way.
Yes, sir. Go for speech Boadi.
That's right. Thank you. Any question?
Yeah, sir.
Oh yeah, Sophia.
Sir, me pacho. Me person say. Biggie, is he alone there? Like, or no one or one?
Question, we're too childish. Sergeant Mamuna too. How can such a person be in the forest alone? He's not alone. Information I just say he's there with some people. So we are man and member for now I can't tell. But what I'm saying is, put your ass together. It's a Ghana policy, your motto, service with integrity.
Yes, sir.
We are here to serve this country. And we will serve it to our maximum capacity. Yes, sir. But some people don't media, the statistical integrity, gun them down, kill them. If anything happens to my daughter, don't come back. Okay. 80 big money. Go out there and make sure, sir, you defend my daughter and the nation. Thank you. Have a nice day. No question, please.
Last week you said that IGP friend. Okay. The IGP friend was the question in our now. By request with the IGP. Per se, when you have problem to some more many was. See, if you a good deal question to Muna, then San Camporana. Papa will be himself to himself. Obey you in the answer. No, see the police. Who here, Juman, I'm mobile. Look at what I said. Yes, okay.
Hello? Boss, you cannot escape me. How is it there? What's not my fault? He just did not touch you.
me on. Look, it's a menu answer, me what? You might mean. Why is that what my boy is supposed to yes? Nonsense. Look, I get my movie. Come on, don't make a answer. Everybody say,
you go for other kids, not be good kid, you buy now or my escaping.
William, say what's something with yes, Emma. Is it said, no, me more can go. William Scott, nonsense. Why is it me? No, I'm not going to let me. Look, let me tell you something. Someone named no matter what Obama and that. I'm telling you, it should be last for you. Let's go.
Huh?
Come on, this side.
Hello?
Yeah, Mama G.
Yes?
Mama G, Pachochi Baka. Miss Row, and a pay, quite many other your friends say, and Confederate Genefic.
What?
Oh, yes, about Ukraine.
How? I mean, why? How? Say, Dienti, and Colani to me, John Free some. Huh? I mean, how?
But I say I wish you wouldn't be a call or more around. If you won't buy number can one or I couldn't down for Jimmy Slow. Organize or West, no one number, I would have guessed when you're and to me camera bush here. I hope to more than a cry or moon quite chimney. Try into the young idea. I hope say at the end of the day, no, you're making a choice into chocolate, a moon penny. Okay, thank you, that's right.
What is happening?
Okay, when now was not call you could have flow with your friends say, Bella Somra, and then number right. How about some Basimico?
Pick this call.
Hello.
Ja! Niabeni, and to me per se, baby, Wobiano Tino. Namu. This is what they are telling me, some Colana Johnny.
Huh?
And I'm finished. Me and my finish, you people too are finished.
Mama, men Casamre. Mama, men ha winning me afraid the game.
Yeah.
Na baby omo biano, ya kopen kwala.
Yeah.
Why, Mama?
All right. Me my trash ya mo traba.
Mati. Okay, and I'm afraid the game is here. Na baby omo biano, men from the uncle you follow kwala ni sisi anko catch you.
Guy! Get out! Come on, shower me. Fast! My own is a January. That's my money. That's my Oja, me Jana. What do I do? Where do I go from here? I'm finished. Damn it, do I go? You are looking at me. Look at you. You don't know what to do. You are looking at me. Stupid girl. When you say you have lost everything, you have lost everything. Everything is gone.
Madam, so what are we going to do?
Are you asking me or you are telling me?
Madam,
do I know what to do now?
We have to do something
I'm
fast.
hot now, and you are standing there nyama basa like somebody who came from Bompata telling me what are we going to do? Do I know what to do now? I'm hot.
Madam,
Get out! Stupid girl. Hey! Hey! Then we are finished. Everything is finished. Unless me toffee no be a yes, that door is big and I'm going to make it big. I'm hitting it because I'm going high and that's my money. When a team, so who uses Kokromotia to team this business? How? Who is doing this to me? I mean, I want to hit. What? Where do I go? Like what inside? What? I'm crazy. 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 Damn it. Damn it.
Yo, Chefo. The game. Oh, wait. Mama G, a friend says, I sent Kalani in a cannon. Ah, Chefo, what's he saying? I'm crying, Johnny. Ah, and I said, I can't. Chefo, what Anna? I sent crying every month. And crying for no money. Forest one camp on for no minimum to make any. I mean, pass a long story. No. When you are near Fikajin. Ah, I said, Pan, when you present our cannon, or my junior camp on me. The baby will be to Cabra Sia. Pressure with the mammy, when easy. Mr. Me bus is here and present a banon in animal. My bear 5 minutes and me go to see. Ma when ya ha. Why, Mr. Me chose to see an infant begin when baby and crying will be I, young coachwoman. Why, Mr. Na Mamma D, Mammy pressure to do too much. They too much. Mr. Pressure near hard. Dear fast. Okay, winning. The best is here, the original. The heart of China, boss is here. Why? Martin, me train. Why? Okay, now when you have.
Uni ande bibi amde na hye no okay ase ba sisi anu mami penso bi ma na no na nya hodin kakra wa bre why se de problem na kasa ameme chiron kwala gin na yehu bibi azefa wo fa na ifa
ha momo am se kokomo jan pom na asi o se ma to asema ne kokko mi akwa noko ene kokko mi akwa beko wutimi jakola ni timi sem wallahi wutimi na hwe wutimi tambe noko
ni mi kita kola no wo beji na firi mi sem de nako akwa wani so ne pom ha me na mhwe so mi kita kola na wo beji na firi mi sem de nako
kokko mi ango mi kokko mani
wallahi wutimi na hwe
wo spirit bi aho
wutimi na hwe
Unia, akia wonye meje. Akia wonye meje no ya. Wada bi me nyanga sana na me ka. Me simi ya me wo fast no ni ti na pa mu. Ya le rush. Ani ni bibi akwa no tie ko se. Wada na rush sa. Ya me ya ni bu ade. Ti mi no me pesa do. Me bi ya rush ni ti ya na rush. Ti ni bibi akwa. Akia me ti no. The two of you are Kasa, like Mata, maybe I never got it. What I know, the only match, Nipa, Madame Casacho, that's all you found. Tell me, dear boy, it's got you out of mind. Now, what's on your shotgun? I'm only for you. What are you?
That I'm not actually son. I mean, you're man. I'm not Mr. B, you're one part and when you tell me,
and then almost say you weapons be an open hoopy. Yes, you have a shut down wire. You see me the simple chain, you for some zero in point. To warning rats one passing. I'm so many can go. You see if I quarry now, party and what's wrong? Why am I? Zero. I can't request and come in to me for Zongo way. You want the woman by one fast. Hey, what is come on. No. Your brothers. I don't know you, don't know me. I don't know you. Fuck you. Where they? So free. Move. Until the last. Hey, come on, fast, move. Wait, fast. Move. Come on,
Maybe say some sister, some black person that me baby, yeah, me like baby, yeah, one and them, me like na maybe. Yeah, me and say a woman, a woman gets away, nim baby or be a foe. Nim baby or be a fire, a baby who play. Well, come for back. Come grumble, friend.
Who pay them abusia?
Rusty what was it?
Who tell me Coco catch us some Rusty? Why do you want?
Some more more kidnappers. Now more kidnapping of some at the bedroom of the Spanish. Hey,
that's me.
Come on, right? Hey, come on. Fast. Hey. It's kind of my job this time was 7 and I will be fit.
What could you sell for? What did you pay? You have a what come and who the parameter? Can you tell me the young man? And I can't watch it. As a song will say, what? I will tell you, say, boom. I am not going to Cologne, and as I attach him. I could do myself a long time. Pressure never. I am doing me immediately. The beer did you want to do. I'm Pacho. Oh, Pacho. Oh, Pacho. Tell me, the beer me you. We should share you time. One no prep, one no out. What you do, Kumawood, I'm not handsome. Dear Bonnie Pala, what have I done wrong? When your man is about to fall flat again, no matter who I am. This is how you're paying me back. With this payback time, I know what to do. Good! What? Don't remember. Me feel you alright. Me clotho. I do everything. Just know what I see. I didn't give your mother that your image. Come on, image. Stop it there. I will not leave it. What do you mean? Oh, Pacho. Tell me how to do what did I do? What did I do? This one.
Don't touch it.
What? That's a second one. Silent means concern. What process I will do as I want to you promote fresh foods, fresh foods, and I will want to fresh tea. We deal with you. And you know that we knew what we knew who my brother. We knew what money. Can't have said, we really say, I won't. Mama is my chief. She's a Kumawood. A cool just like that. They make it big. Big. Human beings. Who are sending me out to the Muda and Jim. We are lucky. Shut the fuck up. Yes. Lashes. Okay.
No! One point. Get out! Yeah. Papa could be $1,000. And I need.
Blah! Blah! Blah!
Tela! I also do know.
Blah! Blah! Blah!
Keep calling Johnny. Drop that body. You know, killing is my hobby. Put down your gun. That boy. Put down your gun.
me why. Me pray to just me have to meet you in the next life. Sick for me cocky, make you breathe a die. Only you me want be fat, your pussy tight. Just a titty bite, you make me feel so high. Girl, your pussy start that and for me, yeah. Me feel like no pussy just a race me. Me feel like no pussy just a race me.
Oh my God! You know what? Me feel like no pussy just a race me. Girl, I take care of your charm. Said I'm done. Girl, I take care of your charm. Girl, I take care of your charm. So tired. Girl, I take care of your charm. You want your talking, you want your pussy.
Shit, money and shit. Oh, girl. It's okay. Yeah, what's up? Life is good to share. And you're between me and nobody knows. Well, come on, don't tell me you've killed someone. Hell no. So, Obitia, and your wife. I just bought my new house and a new car. What? Yeah. You bought a new... Oh my God! Yeah, because girls in the more beyond because when you do a business, you understand. Okay, since you told me your secret, right? I'm going to tell you. I just bought my new Ferrari. What? It's on a shit coming, girl. And you wish me. I wish you'd see my car and you go crazy. Screaming. I wish you'd see it. Don't worry. I'll get home now. But my plan is a movie out to do because
we are saying, you watch us be away. I'm one of the emergency boy. Young friends here. Oh, yeah.
Is there a celebration means I'm frying for a moment to me?
I have another person who you know so much. Then I'm a simple one. And I'm up for one simple. And you know, many debut to the patriarch. Yeah, you can go. Sure. And try so busy. What is the catch of it? And try so busy. We shall be a patch and open. What a make it. Bye.
Brand only on an answer.
Baby, it's the young people no shame no so of woman and the so about the James Hanley.
Now, by the way, walk us out to him.
Me, I'm saying, my baby, I'm a fashion to my phone. No, I'm not telling me, Miss Me, and all of the James.
Timon's answering will be your house.
Minimum be our
Only me do come feel what you don't worry, for the meantime, I do come feel. So when we get there, whatever it is, I'm not. What and I'm in Madame for you. I'm secure the situation. I see it. Yeah, wait, it's not selected to the no, sound serious. What? And so, feel your orphanage. I need a charity home. I said, right now, I can't. You can't what? Or you almost me. I didn't even get you. Let's take it. Huh? They want you coffee. Anyway, I'm not part of it. Please, I'm not part of it.
The real.
Oh, okay.
Hi. What was you saying?
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, yes. Fiesta. How good to Fiesta 1. What do you say? We are happy. You love us.
Usochi.
Now, Mom will stretch it. So the new man is sitting. Me and Kasama, that was special package. I'm at the bed, make Cassie can hold their brain. Mom will stretch it. Oh, come on to me. Yeah, special package. And family begin as okay, Mom will stretch it.
That's not going to be a community.
Direct business.
I don't know what money name.
Girls, Mom will stretch it. Right?
I'm not there, and I'm Mukase. Sir, TV in your terms.
Okay. Girls, like, now be here. Now, I show you what to make her. So, you're supposed to be a man. When you're the same mommy. Okay. What to make her. See you. Bye. Oh, yeah.
This is no remix, this the real.
I'm going for you, pa. I saw now, but I will find me any money. I may a year. I said, well, Mitaka, I chose a master names Ubi pa, I don't know. Meka, I am the puppy intimacy. Why can I cry intimacy? Fiat me, Moncazo. You are an heavy year, pa. Ablafi. Why are dear man asking me, papa, me drop back, I crowd them, I come to say. Because the baby to blow what she. How I know to Namen Casa. Me, my face are break up in another. So I'm a man who know about Franua. How come who don't see you? Would not get see me. Tell me, I'm some way. Yes, to be able to. Sir, I can prepare to a crank on me, don't tell. Say, police, I police case. Sir, police problem, say the for medium and for police. Almost only one master, no me, and I may have a free more. The queen of me enemy. So I'm a man who walk around one. Make chosen me a software. Me like an empty bomb. At a name, no, I don't need to. Near just money. But near better. I guess the one who some my Cassachina beg. I give a woman who Cassachina be wanting me back. I put what I gave him poor woman tower. Me drop me bano, me drop me catch you at it. Catch you at me door, I gave him a baby, I to go at it. Yo, Nyarko or Hodia, and so did a Hoya, a bluffy. The free sap, a copy, no pa. Breakfast man walk around, they come to show the best.
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. We'll love you never part for life. Alright. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. We'll love you never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I'm searching from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the worst time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. This is what my heart keep yearning for. Everything you do is alright. So long as you could be my wife, everything you do is alright. True love and never perfect. Everything you do is alright. So long as you could be my wife, everything you do is alright. True love and never perfect. What a missimo, I got my look and the man no kuruma. This goes out to the beautiful girls around the world. You know, I've been to the ball girl. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife, everything you do is alright. True love will never pass for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife, everything you do is alright. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I'm searching from afar, but you always on the run. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the worst time anyway.
Boss, take my way, share with as if you walk on all panicky, as if you be about Sloopy. But the Marine Fisher said to me, to watch it, you two was a victim, my yes. And the Marine boss back a cow, and boss back I wanted to miss a cabos, Nakayin. It's slow. Yet, Tawachi in slow. It was few and as a wood as a so be piazza.
But they are very smart. They are very street. Then I'm risking my life for.
The Mary Fidity at the camera. You down my own. Baby, I could be a cow, you do it. The because you be a it issue be about pressing camera. You have a rescue. Miss Slow. You are your cow. You know, was on. See, Namia, that's our contract. It's me good, try. Me say, you
And you know me, I don't fool. Come in my watch my walk about Obo beauty. Made the shishi baby. Send your mother one who but Sabrina Bibia made in somewhere in Tabatumon, a piano. A year school, I a friend of Mountain Zion. And Kola Ira, a from for some, and go for young Kola was school him, and his school for Fraka, and they are champion, and just saying I had the machines and Fidian in our school him. I have a saints here, and my friend Yerasa. School penny no teacher for Nakasawa, Yanin bedding, as I am a watchman. Number 2 would take us out, they just want to say.
Your friend Joseph Roberts.
Oh, and then what you do near the car. Number 2, Mr. Joseph. I had day, and the school you move for Lenny now. Yeah. That yes, no way out for him. Nay, yeah, day.
Chiamon, a chef, anything. You were her and now. Go for the bar, Peter was so big. Concerning NGO. NGO was a non-governmental organizations. I'm free a mama so I'm about every one kola, several more different intentions. They wanted to help my kids. They wanted to help the students. They wanted to help them for the betterment of their future. It's based on that. NGO programs are exchange programs near the idea. Think buy and no money maintenance and I'm many of my cancers and it's I mean to me for you and for me and it also me confront a year we call our phone very good parents. Now along the line me confront our phone they also supported the idea. Go ahead in case for anything I should never hesitate. It do say in Mena Suma exchange program before God the man. Me my teachers me and Saka someone because they were traveling, touring the whole world. In fact, I'm being touched because I don't even know the lives of my people as I speak to you now. Baby, I don't know. Someone tears, I just don't know. Call ya exchange programs and minimum circles before I realize the network in our cutting off. Before God, the man, my friend, all networks are meaning the welfare of my children, meaning the welfare of my students. Into what your mom was shaming in a I'm seeking and pleading with them. Say, baby, I'm better to say, I could be soon. Maybe I'm better to say, I could be high, I'm shocked.
No, my patrol. Where the Bama Yako. Let's see our phone in us. Never understand, sign our phone in Fubini.
What's that? Ye nipper soup. And a nipper should be a bass, I never buy. And they say, me can also support the idea, no, but a young man called the second before God the man, where sorry and no Bessia, and the dear Taman is what Dimatan, where so also my police for a chill, where so and some play, yes, says good, but meaning some young me or tears and a song. Miss Secure my advice on Subuame, now Omuma, Yami man was here coming down.
Joe, other 4, Limia. Yes, simply for baby second 19 and account. And then you'll be dear, a chance to swear. You know, you can tell my friend be, and my friend is so near that she says a Bible for some monk or Lana Quine. No more Ryan, to know you send or swine him. I want dear, Medofu, baby, I was a colesu, which is will be cranny band some pie, Jerano, what the name Quine, offering him while back question in my end. And since a year is in a broad in Tiasia. I form for some bay and a young pony hay. Oh, my Ghana, yeah, bread. Midway, and you went in time of frame will be that. Nebia, yes, so got to saw young Quabody, she and was in Swiss with you. Ye knew dear Beppa, your bow and humba. Said Brina Bribia, and you be inside the bedroom. Yet was
babes. Thanks to aid, we are who we are today. We can eat what we want to eat, buy what we want to buy, do what we want to do. Aid. God bless you. Anyone can you see? Says, can you form more Ghana?
Oh, because everyone's in the same school.
Forget her.
Is there any office?
It's the case can form more Ghana. General. Empresses. Empresses. They can't move. Dollar Queen. Condemn. Silly. Daisy. Yo. Motor 1. P.
Fiesta.
Tell girl.
We have to have fun.
Oh, say that again.
And chilling.
More fun.
And yet when you are quite young.
More to come.
And then you're same.
More chilling.
God bless you. God bless you. Cheers to this.
Cheers.
Cheers. Small money.
More money. More success.
And prosperity.
More color. Music.
It's the truth. Of course you're chilling.
More riches. More
Condemn.
Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Oh my God, walking in the front. Made up in the worst time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart keep yearning for. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. What a missimo, I got my looking and the man no kuruma. Emma Bulin, I got copy Munaga, baby, Nicola Camu. Become a Kumamu, because that's Mamu, because it's the Macao, baby, baby, baby. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright. True love will never part for life. Everything you do is alright. So long as you go be my wife. Everything you do is alright.
Mama, Asante, business partner from Paris. One of my clients. Okay. You know, mommy, I've heard a whole lot about you guys. No. Now me pesa me anka sa me pa down, now me be hunya mai so until one now you buy and you mommy. We just wanted to know, say Dane because we buy and so me partner. You bet maka say we are okay. We are so much impressed. It's no. We ever had that also. Thank you. Ya pasa con eso. Pasa con el esposo. O para ir a los o a ver qué manos. Sure. Yeah. But you are going to say that you want to watch it.
Watch it. Maybe I can say, see, I did the whole gun. I did the whole gun. I'm fine. I did also. Accra. Yase what I'm going to do, Yase, the cost. What about boys? Who you use? Japanese. Sorry, what they are not. What? Everything. So, someone can some barbecue tubers. Asante for my children. Meeting in the moment to cruise. I wash your station. No problem. I was senior. I was white people, well, white people, was psychics. Now, what? What's not saying? What now, that's okay, have fun. Cheers. Is everything okay? Thank you. I don't know why. What we do now? The fresh one was so over. Okay.
Suffocating, never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the waste time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up, my love is calling. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart keep yearning for. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never pass. Everything you do is alright, alright. So go be my wife. Alright. Everything you do is alright. Alright. True love will never pass for life. Alright. What a missimo. I got my looking and the man no kuruma. Emma Bulin, I got copy Munaga, baby, because I come. Become a woman. This goes out to the beautiful girls around the world. You know, I've been to the ball, girl. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never pass for life, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. Yeah, never say. Thoughts of you and I will keep me always suffocating. Never coming close, your papa stay policing. I sight you from afar, but you always on the run. Yeah. Oh my God, walking in the fun. Made up in the worst time anyway. Maybe I'm the patience with the pain. Give me all attention, so delay. We gon' live for life, no parting ways. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling me. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart just keep on yearning for. It's funny, the whole world's a me, but I can't give up. My love is calling me. Phenomenally, I still confirm it. You're the one my heart keep yearning for. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, yeah. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never pass for life, Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife, alright. Everything you do is alright, alright. True love will never pass for life, alright. What a missimo. I got my looking and the man no kuruma. Emma Bulin, I got copy Munaga, baby, because I come. Become a woman. This goes out to the beautiful girls around the world. You know, I've been to the ball, girl. Everything you do is alright, alright. So long as you go be my wife,
Let me see. I'm introduction we are from NGO. Wait, that reminds me. NGO. Presenting me, I just said they are from NGO, they are NGO people. Oh yes, they gave me a letter. So do you have any letter heard from them? Yes, I have it inside my office. Oh, okay. In challenge is hidden inwardly. In Tibia, as time goes on, they will see what is within the case. In fact, I never took the decision on my own. I confronted the children's parents. They also supported the idea. They gave me the go-ahead. Then, in case of anything, I shouldn't hesitate. I should call on them. In fact, man proposes, God disposes. I never knew they were coming in with a different intention altogether. I would even say, see, from almost every blessed time, the FM stations are calling, trying to do proper investigations. The TV stations are calling, they're trying to do investigation. They only want to know what is really happening.
I say, we are very sorry for us. And my refuse to say, there is a pressure time, so no pressure to come. Okay, say your boss, your back, the best friend.
I'm aware.
It's a more pressure by you so serious. You're not going to easy. You're not quite for you to make because of a meeting. It is a say, what we should do is why are you? So what I say, and yes, sir, pressure for no. So, the second one, what is it say? You're got election year. So what I say, drop back 3 years. Diana, Nipa Kulani, penny for to chat it, Diana, those. So you're very, very careful when Kulani do not be down.
And this has been going in different schools. You know, say, in case any other people come saying they're from NGO, don't let them. Don't let them. As a CID, we are doing our possible best on this case. So you have to be very careful. Don't let them.
As I speak to you, I'm praying the children should be safe. I'm praying wherever the kids are. Their life is very important to me. I'm hoping at least they should be safe. That's the only thing I'm praying to God.
But all they say, try to put yourself together. We will do our possible best to find out those kids, okay? But you shouldn't forget, if anything, just
I'll never hesitate.
Help us so that we will also have them.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome. So, we will take our name, okay? So, if anything, I'll do that.
I'm counting on you.
Okay, don't worry.
I've wanted the betterment of the children's future. I wanted the children to enjoy from the fruits of their labor in which they are going through. But look at what is really happening. Every blessed day from stations are calling. Oh my God, how beautiful.
So far, no, almost more than 2 months. Minimum I ran soon. Yeah, I baby. You see, no, Venice, Manya, Granite, and would do me use. Now, for the phone call, the friends say you can miss. Very good. Mr. Senkamoka, maybe and Tenaka leave 1 man time. Masaba down. Nanka, once so Abaseko, Saudi Arabia. Now, also South Africa. But the most important thing is carry very important. Mr. Mokoye and Amuyi Bibia, Mumfa and to my country, never refer to one means it will be a is in the beginning of the year. Yeah, and one meeting.
A bank of 4. Saying Abetumu and the Guru the Dikanko and money the Bush, a battle for the Bush. There is a seat to be bound, United as a good team in the motion. Corners are going to be free, emotional, you won't say yes. Anything you buy.
The customer, Mamma Corner. We are just saying, but I'm brandy in Miami. No money na go school fa na sanme ana kwana say ma yes be go excursion ana say excursion na mo man also ye be ba na go something of so mo dey go ya say ayo say bibi okay can say mo wona ana o say be ba say be ba na me say wo dey school Nobody better say. No, so, yeah, yes, I could do school when they can't. Near Kuku from an idea, yes, so, what the half friends say. But this guy, Akewsi, maybe I know one for sure. And they jump on the call. And it's in Grandpa school now, and nearly by. And I'm soon here. What's on my no, I said, test your car so more, but why would teach any girl who school was there? The teacher from Quail, or Bia, and I'm saying, If you are not there, so you don't want to be a mobile, but not your boy, no, a word. And I'm a shine a little bit by Granny. They didn't go far. Janichi, and I'm the soup or no go school. The young makes me share. Or go school by ya. Now, boy, was a more mile still. I'm the teacher for the so be a man, I'm steady. And I said, go to a master, I've got so more cover. 2 days in India, I didn't have a number. And I'm going to school. I was a master waiting to put out upon it. The back class of more question. 2 days, we met him a man in time. The 16 years of mine. It's me the business question, Crow McCoy, and I've been Crow McCoy of Manchester. While one of the other, Nasaka did go. If a master, I know. Now, but today, now, go back. The master was saying, and young men could be me now, but today, the cousin will check me back. Or what you're watching on is a more. I saw who's in the habit. I know, but you will cry back. Now, go in the India or Manchester, so much more to Papa. It's hard by. I did 3 days. Teacher, my grandma, me never found it. The banner my. We are and then a boo. It's a bit news of a battle. Say, here, what fun. Send it out to a book. Said, just let me, maybe I'm going to be paid. Before you make cut. This is me what brother watching. The father will come up with the sick answer. What was you? I don't know. I didn't have a paid now.
Oh dear. I condemn the Mamma Sana, say one over Tiffy, now what crash or could be now 20 minutes. The Momo, you go so young, you know. Headmaster now good dinner, you're not Nasi, Eddie, and Meremu to me, and then a Cassa, Bona, Babia, as a Bonoku, and a Yabako. We know no crime. I a teacher for me and promotion to Mama. So I near maybe said the next show, they have a trip. I wish you should
I saw the Becker's cashin. Not Master Watson, I see. There's no woman who ground for a check. Not because only maybe I've got what you know, Master Mine, or your Master Banter. I am Master Bay.
Madame, I would a bassina, Yao, wait to be our Cassan. Was any a bump for a police will quiet. You need to conquer your pen for no sons and make to a big to your corner and pen for another do. It was a buy you move a beer and Cranudiana. And they are the mamma and your Queen. Once also don't pay a bit touching. I'm a patch of Obana said, and that won't go school. I don't for banana anniversary.
But it did me. When you really said tough for me, now me won't boss. 2 grandmas and tough for when you know. When you're down for your small crab pona. Now I to change you know this way to go down. Munana, Monsieur, or Moon pay. When the pitch me.
And I remember, yes, they move to answer Baba Konakan and then Kasay. Say Baba Tuaba. The two of us is why I say, you walk on a bank of phone and Prenibia of Fosun the Machida, everybody be there, and you know we have a fraba to knock off and then the Wakano and then Kasay, the PP motion ye, said the Uncle Father about to be there, and some. Till you go by a doma, Yabasaba. When you pop, said the bear, one cent you compassion. I'm afraid if you can't acquire. Kamolashi go president kwa nazo wepi kwa nazo mama kwa bra kakunyanga ka utraso mjakuna no akoshasa mazo I am afraid you know because I know politicians no and say telephone ebia omo disappointment omo fear chichitina say na abaya me ati say very what the bia na say they aggressive so binti bi because about to no perform. Say, you're more than you will be doing as the tomorrow. Yeah, investigation more. Said the bear money be bummed, so I was about to tell my boy. Let me be a Tinyama Duma. What's that mean, Kawai?
Hello. Yeah, Safina. Of course, that Africa was Safina.
Yeah.
Okay.
My studio mom will be your help. Maybe I will operation.
Sir, mahunu, yeah. And yet that bush road bino. Maybe be operational.
And me no money okon ma say that thing say me ba me frem.
Okay. Oda say you change over bi antu there.
Antu de woni, oda fa team ni bia ho. Na mo hye me asama kwan no so.
Mate me catch. Yes sir. Eh see adi.
Mudu asama kwan so mo frem. Ma be hia mo.
Mate. Okay, I'll be there right now. Okay, thank you.
What's it?
Selfina said, "Nkofona ye nya omo dendenden." Wo hu omo so omo abe cross sa road name be e koyo operation ti yemra ho sisia.
Inspector Magic.
Yes, sir.
I just complain now when it's too much. And a Juma will also know. A penny in person, the Casabit. It will be near to form own share. We need the public to me. We say police to be on a partner. I believe so. It's my boy. It is so. A summit of the demon, you have to do it for me. Dear mammy. Miss Odia Mammy.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Would you meet our officer? Enra. Safia friend. Salafina. Of Fremen, but no. You were long time crab, but then come be only meeting. But Mimi won't say, you Russia, a coil. Guess be now a bomb suspect, but who said walk and you won't be dead. Because I guess no, same cry you are here near the woman movie. And Safia catcher himself, meeting me up one mania. Then Cabba Maya choir. Yankee 2 1 more. He said, the bit man,
oh, he's good. Yeah. Now, only say, comment down a money at Chumono, and Uncle Gusuchino, and Niman I had last week, me call so me run about one. You will say, bury a home or Madita. Now, one lady be a million function. Now, she said, bury her. You do to bury, I say. Try to show said the Arab bit me. What? They said, we be said in a way. They said, tell him back on the same thing. To be so. Morning cobbles no. And yes, sir. Na BBC, Masha. They be banning your papa.
We cried here. Officer Block can lend a cry about
you. Money, dear. You may need Bria. Suspect in I am a girl. You bet you much less as a son and say at church bagana and quality church over highways, the Achim Baba Faways, the Achim. As you may need prepanage and let me age man. You bet you almost.
On the Utum for the Casa. I see Asante Memo, Yenya Jumadi Yema. Utum for the Akasha. Utum for your car, some of the tours was a son again. Said the Bay Ghana police, who was a Yajuman. On the and near my Kosu by Empese and in my Basha. To be support to me. I give you command.
Thank you, sir. Salute you, sir.
Good. Now, when you get here, we are assuming say, this is the entrance to the forest, right?
Okay.
Good. First, in Raymond, there's this little bridge. This location, when you get there, be smart and be careful. Because anything I talk can come from anywhere to hit you.
Okay.
They can report and gather intelligently. That's what I said. Almost switching a figure. Now, so what how many danger zone? forest according to pictures na yenya no ye nua kese ne sisi ho obedu ba bi say no aha no kwan bakokwa when you get here just stay there for a while and be attentive and vigilant kona mo kono nkoshe mo bi areke be in what I call combat boot I be more how to your tumika because there is more than a war. You are going to rescue people and enjoy easy. Good. Nyarko celebrate war forest in him. Nyarko celebrate. And of course it's a quite big them. But the reality is when you are this video on this who could show you more. When I put that do be as what that be a bubble. Koni na almost set the traps on. Beginner you can say some of you don't know but it means small man could government, the president. Only ordinary person with just a big nose, but very dangerous. Picture who you know, mini papa. Okay. Oba Okutan son, sanctimonious and patriotic face, but within him, no, he's a criminal. Okay. Because Mikasa maybe award all the best snipers, who are the best sniper, or for two we can kill like something. Okay. But you see, I trust in you guys. Yes, sir. Meaning the mutume. Yes, sir. Okay? Yes, sir. Kwa mo kon ko twidu Inspector Parko. Yes, sir. Wo de your office kwa na wo da. Wo kon aduane bubo wa. I will bury you in good faith.
Oh, sir, I will make sure it will not happen.
And ko tell bi ase. Now, so what do us be a check for us? Be aware taking what am here safe. Peter Modi, if you change something will come and kick you. And I'll think, oh, just said it could be a trap. To monitor the place. Then we'll give you a very small device via will be detected. Said bomb I say bomb. Because I want you guys to go out there and come back safe.
Thank you, boss.
And I promise you, some information from above or no, according to IGP no. Operation is about cause of be one cat, no more in peace. When you now be everybody will be promoted. Oh, because I didn't let you know. Yes. Because we are going there to fight for this country. Yes. We are fighting for God. We are fighting for country. Yes. And I believe in you guys. Yes, sir. So we are in a more banner, right? You have to be at each other's back. We're going to Omvanja, we're going to university, and it goes sideways. Because for all you know, Ebiana and Anyasi will be okay. Let me say this as a police commander, commanding and offense secretary. As the saying is, a tough time comes, but tough people do. I need all of you alive. So go out there, use your experience. Use your technical know-how. Be smart and be wise. But above all, be there for each other. God have mercy on your souls.
Everybody, guys! Get down! Get down! Who's the leader here? Down! Who's the leader? How come him? Hey, you, this guy! Hey! Asante! Get up! How come him? Hey! Get out! Yes. Stand up. Everyone, stand up. Hey, stand up. Stop. Move. Abwa ubanu ko wo school Akrobeto University a. Hwana nyankofam ye. 5D Danifon Productions ni a. Tie me. Me me tio school fees. Evil Forest. Pass 1 and 2. Ye, one ko amekana za some bianchi. Evil Forest. Part 1 and 2. Castro Ventures. Obin Yabwa Pata was no macho. Chief for Pancrono, American Watafu. Sika Kuku Maja, but 1, 2, and 3. All had the episode who never who.
Frank.
What do you want? The boy shoot him. Sikakuku Maja. 1, 2, and 3.
Hello? Who in the house, yes?
Why you want power to say? Oh, good. Why you wanted? I didn't see the man can't say. Why you wanted? That's the power to say. Mama.
Sikakuku Maja. 1, 2, and 3.
Ateto. Ka we was me kodu fia was my ruamo. Ye. Ka wan come this kana chen. Se me da so ni ka ma wi o.
Sikakuku Maja. 1, 2, and 3. Every of Thomas Masoji, Yabu out of the match 21.
To be born again. If you wish something again, you may be one of the better Spencer.
To me, but to me, but 1 2. Batana Nibaya Bananonka, 4 4 Abba, which you know to be with you, 5 from production. Yes, you know, Cosso. I say, Wakodi, Emilia Brabe, don't get away to do one isika. You be a robber, one in a boy, you don't come out of bunch of we are. Tinisicama,
about no fat cell. It's not tough for us. By 4. How? Wow, mammy, yo. So for how one, Baba. I let me, mammy, tell me what me.
Wakodi.
Mammy, to send her by 4. I'm in this. Now, while we are not before we now. What is out? As I knew something, a beer mania. Not the one you know coming ahead. I think that only now 2 necessary will be got.
Wakodi.
I don't tell you. I'm going to me, but not some of the family. I'm going to let me know why yet rotro.
Epanadua, Boadi, Jome, Himareko, Yabo, Pekuso Kumasina, American Wata, Yankutana Linda Wakwa, open a big of fairy water chima.